In this question, you have to identify the correct statement regarding angiosperms. Option A, reduction division occurs in the megaspore mother cells. Now, this is correct. In the majority of angiosperms, the megaspore mother cell undergoes meiosis, that is reduction division, to produce 4 haploid megaspores, and one of which develops into the embryo sac. Option B, a small central cell is present in the embryo sac. Now, this is incorrect because the central cell in the embryo sac is the largest cell and it contains 2 polar nuclei. Option C, egg has a filiform apparatus. It is also incorrect because the filiform apparatus is not associated with the egg cell, but rather with the synergid cells, which assist in guiding the pollen tube to the egg cell during fertilization. Option D, there are numerous antipodal cells. It is also incorrect because in most angiosperms, the embryo sac usually has only 3 antipodal cells.